Hello, my name is Katie, and I'm going to be playing a cover of Velvet Rain by Big Thief. Chills in the kitchen, hear a city tune. The night would flicker like a violent moon. The night was thicker than a smoky fume. Lies waited in her room. Benny loved her like he loved no one. The way she loved to know the smoking gun. The way she always said what's done is done. And he